Now in this lecture we learn about what is duct lining, why we use duct lining, and then learn step by step how to add duct lining inside the duct in Revit. So first of all we discuss what is duct lining. So duct lining is an internal layer of material that we add inside the duct. So we usually provide lining near noisy equipment like a supply fan, like return fan, and like air handling unit. We place duct lining after or before these equipments in ducts. So the main purpose of the duct lining is that they can absorb sound and vibration. Duct lining can absorb the sound generated by some fans, air handling unit, or other equipment. Similarly, they can also help to reduce the vibration that produced by fans, that produced by air handling unit, etc. There are different lining material available. So the most common material that we used in lining is fiberglass lining, but you can also use textile liners, you can also use fabric liners, or we can use other type of acoustic board. So it depends on our project specification. So now we can add duct lining after air handling unit. So first of all we can select this air handling unit, these ducts after air handling unit. So this is duct fitting. We can select all the duct fitting and duct after air handling unit. So here you see, after selection of these ducts you can go to this option. So here you see add lining, you can click on this add lining option. So here you see this add duct lining browser is open. So here you see these are insulation type. You can select fiberglass duct, we have two options, or textile in a type of duct lining, and here we can add thickness. So if you want to add a new material of duct lining, then you go to this edit type and then select click on this material option. So here you can add material in lining material. So if material is not available here, then you can create a new material. Here you can write duct lining like fabric duct, fabric type of lining. So you can select textile, go to appearance, and from here asset browser you can select the material, or you can also create material. So after that you can click on OK, and then this is added to here. So I cannot add any material, I can just use this fiberglass duct liner. So select this and then click on OK. So here you see in this duct, go to this wireframe option. So here you see different that this duct lining is material is added inside the duct.